Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with the unboxing of the bag from the Creative Notions. Here it is. Everybody probably recognizes this fabric. All right, I'm going to open it up. We're going to pull everything out. See if I can get it opened up. It's pretty tight. All right. That's a nice sturdy bag. Very nice. All right. Right off the bat, got some jelly beans. Are these, oh, these are the gourmet flavored jelly beans. Oh yeah, those are the good ones, guys. All right, we have some scissors. And it looks like, I'm trying to see here. Looks like I don't know, there's something already on my scissors in there. They're packaged up. Oop, there you go. I like the grip there on that. Okay, we have cornbread pudding recipe. That looks good. And by the way, this is January's box. Just letting you know, because I'm bad about that. All right, we have a Valentine, 2.5-inch strip quilt. That is gorgeous. And it does not look like it would be hard to make. And the directions are on the back. I was trying to think. Oh, it's designed by Sugar and Spice Textiles. And now we have a Valentine table runner. Oh, that's nice. I've seen a lot of those type quilts online. And the directions are on the back on putting it together. Half square triangles and flying geese. And then rectangles. Couldn't get any easier than that. Then we have our quilting. It says quilting shortcuts, tips and tricks for that layout for the jelly roll. Pretty neat, huh? And that's these directions here that came in the bag. And then we have a star in a square. Ooh, I like this design. I do not have it. I have admired it online. And I am so glad we got the pattern. Look at this. I've seen those in blues and all different multicolors. That is really, really nice. Now this one's got the solid around the outside, and this has got the flying geese. I really like it with the flying geese, actually. Or the piano keys. That would look nice with it also, with the different colors. Or even two colors for that matter. Whatever colors you use in this quilt. And it is a table topper or a wall hanging. Let me see if it tells me the size. Yes, 36.5 by 36. And all the directions are on the inside. Here's a bigger picture of it. Okay. And then we have, it looks like our ruler. Oh, look at this. Let me take it out of the package so we don't have the glare on us. It comes like this. If I can grab a hold of it, that is. There we go. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, look at this. Hold on one second here. It opens up. Okay, so you can open it. There's the ruler. Look at that. Isn't that something? So that is a 2.5-inch strip ruler. Well, that's pretty neat. And then this little piece here at the bottom, these are those little bitty sticky. What they do is you adhere this on your ruler so that when you put your ruler down, it doesn't slide on you. Now, see the holes? Let me show you here. The hole right there. There's one here. And then one there so that you can hang this up. Because people hang up their rulers. Or you can leave it open, wherever yours is stored. But that's pretty neat. And that's a big, long 2.5-inch strip. So it is 24-inch ruler. That's neat. Okay, and we have the fabric next. And this creative, let me tell you a little bit about this bag here. So it is Falling in Love by Danny Mongstead for Riley Blake. And the total cost of the bag is $77. And let's get to looking at some of this fabric. I'm going to show everybody the fabric. This is adorable. Let's see if I can get that untied. Oh yeah, this is adorable. Let me lay it out here. And let me make sure I'm holding it right side up, because I think on my last time I did this, I was upside down. Look at that. What beautiful colors. My gosh, that is gorgeous. I tell you what, that would even look good. That would look good for a border. And here's some pretty tulips. All these fabrics are gorgeous. And here is some stripes with large checks. Looks like large gingham, and then they put all these little teeny weeny little stripes. That's nice. And then we have hugs and kisses and hearts. And then here's that flower that had a red background. It now has a white background. That's pretty also. That would look good with in a blouse, actually. And then I have a pink with some white swirls. And then here is the hugs and kisses with the hearts, but now it's with black background. And then tucked among this fabric is an enamel pin, the star. And that is everything that came in the box. Okay, so I was reading some of this pamphlet here that we get, and it said the subscriber block of the month and the jewel sampler block of the month have finished. So replacing them will be the quilting shortcut tips and tricks and an easy pattern each month using the jewel box. Now their new block of the month is called Hanging Garden, and it starts in July. So if you have any good shortcuts, you can email them to Creative Notions and they'll mention you. They're really good about mentioning everybody when anybody sends something in. So they'll give you, I wanted to say a clap on the back. It's not what it's called, but you know what I'm talking about. And then these little things, which I did not know what they were called, they're actually called 3M adhesive for the back of your ruler. And they are going to have a jelly roll race. So mark this down if you want to follow along and do it. It's going to be Tuesday, February 22nd at 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Facebook, Creative Notions group. So just go to the group, tune in, and sew with them. Okay, and then they put the wall hanging. They've got the little yellow floral diagram, and they put it on here, so you're going to follow that. This is giving you an example how you're going to cut it out, all right? Because otherwise you're going to be short of fabric, so you want to pay attention to that. And I think that is it. I love all these fabrics. Of course, I like all the Valentine and the pinks and the reds and all that stuff. So, and then they put the directions, the corrections on the back here. All right, the directions and everything are correct. It was when they did the picture up, it's backwards. But you'll know when you get this here, because this is what you're looking at. You want to hold on to this paper. Go ahead, and what I normally do is I open it up just like this and slip it in a sleeve with my patterns and stuff so I have it, because it's always got some really good information on it. All right, that's it. I'm going to lay it all out here on the table so everybody can see it, so I can get this video up tomorrow, because right now it is late night on Friday night, but I want this to go up on Saturday. All right, here's everything that was in the box, just so you can see it. I wonder what that cornbread pudding would be like. I don't really care for puddings, but I see this one got like cream cheese in it and corn, so it's not quite what I thought cornbread pudding. Well, exactly the kind of cornbread pudding I've ever eaten, so I may just give this a try. I know Megan loves all these recipes when we get them, and she tries them all out. I even gave her that book from, what was it, last year or the year before? But anyway, I want to thank everybody and all my new YouTube subscribers for following along and watching and subscribing. And here are the winners. Let me give them, there we go. I don't know how you ladies, I don't know how y'all guessed the clue, and that stuff's like way beyond me. So, And I think the back of that star, I'm going to open the back of this star because I think it has something on the back of it. Hold on one second for me. Okay, I said star, but I meant the back of that pen, and it says, quilting is my superstar. No, superpower. And then at the bottom it has Creative Notions Quilt Shop. I don't know if you can see it. I turn it sideways a little bit. There, you can see the top part now. And the bottom. There you go. You got to just turn sideways to see it. And I like the back of this pen. I like it when they have, and I'm going to show you here, that little thing right there. That saves your clothes from being tore up. And you know, you can put a, when you stick this in, okay, and wherever you're going to put your pen, you can put like a, I'm going to call it a washer, but like a little piece of paper between this and this here and the pin when it goes in. And that'll, you know, if you're worried about tearing or it hanging on whatever outfit that you put that on or whatever you're going to attach that to. Just a little, you know, little something there for you. But like I said, thanks everybody for joining, and I'll see you next time. And Vicki outdid herself again. I love all the patterns because I don't have any of these patterns, and I love them. They're adorable. And the fabric, you know, I like that fabric. See y'all next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.